Rcrealness crew, it is Rcrealness back at it again with another YouTube video. If you've been struggling how to remove your Gel X nails, please keep watching because I have been doing my nails for a whole year and I want to share with you guys how to remove them so you won't damage your nails too much.
Rcrealness. Oh yeah.
Welcome to the
Rcrealness.
show.
Like that.
Rcrealness,
Oh yeah.
the thickest bitch
Rcrealness.
you know.
Like that.
Rcrealness,
Oh yeah.
I once was a hoe.
Rcrealness.
Enjoy the show! So you guys, this is actually my nails that I had. These lasted upwards of 3 total weeks. And I'm honestly so happy with how long they last. Okay, so first we are going to use the Melody Susie. And we're going to push this up to 12. The reason why you want to go underneath the bottom of the nail is that when you have crystals, it's gonna be easier to break this part off. So look how easy that comes off. You see? By going from the bottom, there's nothing here, so it's easier for the drill. Look how easy it is. Guys, now let's switch over to a voiceover. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna repeat the process over for each nail so you can go ahead and remove the nail. Awesome, now we are done with the easy part. Now let's focus on filing off the existing crystals that are on the nails that are still attached to my nail. The best part about this is taking off as much crystals as is possible, so when we do soak it off, we have less issues. This soak off acrylic remover can be found at your local Walmart or even in my Amazon storefront, link in the bio. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand in and you're gonna try to find a towel to cover it so that the acetone does not evaporate. Now, with the cuticle pusher, go ahead and try to push or scrape all the existing Gel X nails. This can take a minute, so since I was in a rush, I went ahead and kicked up the drill to 10 speed and filed off the existing crystal that was on my nail. Now, you're going to go in with your nail clippers and give your nail a more round shape. And of course, you're going to make sure you do it to each nail. But yes, you guys, if you can look right here, my nail is extremely damaged right here because I haven't gave my nail a rest. It's damaged and I need to give my nails a rest. So what I'm gonna do is a basic builder gel set, nothing crazy, keep it cute. We're gonna do this for a minute until my nail heals because I need my nails to not fall off. So obviously do some prep work, clean around the cuticles, and now we are going to use a wooden cuticle pusher so that we can get the E-file under our cuticles. E-file your way like nobody's business. When I tell you this is the quickest way so you can speed up the process of cleaning your nails, of course, we're going to do it for each nail. So repeat your process. Now pull out your cuticle nippers and take off the excess that the drill did not pick up. Now for my favorite part, let's build back all the work we took off. Let's go ahead and use some builder gel and strengthen our nails, honey. And of course, apply it to each nail. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be a variety of different content coming your way. Now, let's get back to this video. After applying the builder gel, go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. I forgot to show the bottle. Now this is me applying the base coat, so we can apply the color next. With the opposite hand, go ahead and clean off the excess. You already know what time it is, curing time. Next step, let's go ahead and add some color. This can be found in my Amazon storefront. Link in the bio. Since this color is transparent, we are going to do 3 layers of this. Between each layer, go ahead and cure for 30 seconds. I do want to apologize, I forgot to record me using the top coat. After the top coat, we are going to use the drill to clean around of our existing nail to make sure that the nail polish is not touching or on top of our cuticle so there's no lifting. Then after that, you apply the oil and we are almost done. For me personally, I always apply the oil every 2 to 3 days when I have it set on to help my nail grow and recover. You guys, if this video has helped you, don't forget to comment down below and tell me. Give me some advice or tips that will help me or a tip that can help somebody else. Thank you guys for watching.
Rcrealness, you made it through the show. Rcrealness.
realness. Subscribe to get more.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.